How to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to sell physical and digital product in the same store with Squarespace. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose the website you want to create a store, and then you can see you will be in this dashboard, and then you can go ahead to the website here. So we're gonna set up a store first. So we will create a store. So you can click pages here, and then you can just click plus icon in the main navigation. And then you can go ahead to the sales section and then choose the products, this one. And then there are some, template to the product or store page. So you can choose whatever you want. So after you create it, you can just click it. And if you think it's good, you can just click to website and then go ahead to the products here and then click products. And then you can now create a new products. So in this case, I have several physical products. So if you want to create a physical product, you can just click add product here. And as you can see, there are some products. There are physicals, group event, and there is download also. So if you want to create a physical product, you can just click here. Then you can choose the store. I have created new one, shop. You can just click continue. And then you can name it, name your products, and then the description, and then for the button text, and then also the forms, the image of the products, and the inventory. You can change the price, also the stock, SKU, and also you can add the fulfillment for the shipping, and yeah, it's the physical products. And if you want to create digital product, you can just go back to the this page and then click add product and then choose download. So basically, we can upload a file or yeah, something like that, digital product, maybe this one, a file, PDF file, ebooks or something like that. So you can just name it, add the description. Also, you can add the illustration or the image of the product, the digital product, maybe the banner or something like that. And then the inventory, you can choose the price, and then you can also have to upload the file of the digital products. And there is no shipping because yeah, it's digital. The customer just can download it. After that, you can just click save, and then you can start to sell a digital and physical products in your store. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.